Hey friends, Micah here, Vacation Rental University, and I wanted to take a minute today to show you around the inside of thevrU.com so that you know what to expect once you sign up. So I encourage you, if you haven't already, sign up for a free account. You can actually log in here for free, no credit card required, no pressure, and poke around for yourself. You'll be able to see everything that I'm going to show you, but as a free account, you'll only be able to see the free content. As you can see here, we have free, basic, and advanced levels. So you'll be able to see the free content and check out the basic and the advanced level content. You just won't be able to watch it or download those materials. But go get your free account. We'd love to have you as part of DVRU, and from there you can upgrade after you decide it will help you. So first things first, you've logged in. You're at the home page here. You can always hit home or the VRU logo to go back to the home. And if you wanted to quickly go to the library to do a search, you could do that as well. I'll show you that in a second. Now, assuming you've been here and you are watching a video, so the last video I watched or the last learning track will show up here, owner acquisition sales for me. And this, if you click here, it will take you directly back to the lesson and track that you were watching. Now, we've put a handy search here, so if you just got to the home page and you want to search, go ahead and search right here. You can just pick a topic, a level, filter things down. I highly recommend you filter, but you can also just search something like owner acquisition, sales, reservations, operations, whatever you like. Down here, if you're an affiliate, this is where you can sign up to be approved to be an affiliate if you're not, or check out your affiliate area for your links, your payments, those sort of things. And also if you're a group, let's say you've added seats to your account, you can manage those here. We're also building out the resource page to have all of our tools, a document library, and some other things like bookmarks to make navigating the site a little faster for you. All right, then my account and library. So let's go to the library. This is where the meat of Vacation Rental University lies. And so if you don't search anything, and all of this is neutral, so you want to include completed lessons in this case. And so what you'll see is just a list of all of our lessons. You can go down and see more. And so you can just scroll through these if you just wanted to browse, right? Something else you could do is if you see one you like and you want to see all of them, let's say you want to see everything about rates, you can just click on it right here. And it's going to take you to everything about rates that we have. And you can load more, etc. Now, you know, if you just scroll through all of these, it's going to take you a while. So what I recommend is going through and using the filters. We have over 340 lessons right now. So it's going to take you forever to go through them. But what you can do is you can look at our topics here. So topics, obviously, accounting, basics is our entire basics module. So everything you need to know to go from 0 to fully functional and profitable. Contracts, definitions, general content, guest experience, M&M minutes, marketing, mergers, acquisitions, etc., etc. So all of our lessons here, you can go straight to the topic you want. So if you just want to go to reservations, boom, you just click reservations, it takes you right there. Now some of these do cross over. For instance, I think booking window and, I think booking window is marketing, rates, and reservations important. So it's a big topic. Everybody in those departments needs to know that. You can exclude completed, include them, or only show completed if you want to see kind of what your progress has been. You can bookmark these lessons if you like, so you know which ones you want to take next if you're scrolling through and you're learning something else, but you see one you like for later. Again, you can go check out the advanced, basic, or free. That's a difficulty level. And then tracks. So we've put all of our business tips in. That's something you can get for free when you sign up. Also our crap stories and several other items. But as you can see, we've broken these down by learning tracks. And so you can pick exactly what you're trying to learn about and go through that from top to bottom. So let's show you what that looks like. So this is one of our learning tracks here. This is our marketing learning track. So we're going to go through just straight through what you need to know. So in this particular case, we start with distribution. So we tell you what distribution is and then go through each of the pieces here. And as you can see, each of these videos is going to be relatively short. So let's play this one. And that's a 7-minute video on cost of acquisition. for the guests. And so they're all relatively short. We try to keep these between 5 and say 15 minutes on the high end. But anyways, you'll go through these, mark as complete, hit the next one, go through rates, intro to rates, booking window, how to manage your ADR, intros to fees, all of these sort of things. It's going to be a description and a discussion down here so that we can kind of help guide you. If you have questions, you just pop them down there. Either somebody else that's a student will answer or we'll answer for you. And if plenty of people answer, we're going to create content around that. So if there's a lot of questions on something, we'll go ahead and create a new video for you. All right, so that's the basics of what you're going to see when you log into DVRU. And again, we were just watching this distribution cost of guest acquisition. It's followed me here. I encourage you guys to sign up for a free account. Come in here, play around with this, and learn how to master vacation rentals with us. We'll see you soon.